Hi there, Mama. Welcome back. It is so wonderful to see you here tonight. Finding those tiny, dry, flaky patches on your sweet newborn scalp can be a little alarming. But honestly, did you know that this common condition is completely harmless and super easy to manage at home? Don't worry at all, because a simple, gentle routine is all you really need. Let's talk about safe, doctor-approved steps that bring your baby's smooth skin right back. First, let's understand what is actually happening on your little one's delicate scalp. Those dry, crusty flakes are simply a temporary buildup of natural skin oils. It is not caused by poor hygiene, and it certainly does not bother your happy baby. Have you noticed these little harmless flakes showing up during bath time lately? Next, the most important step is gently softening those dry scalp flakes before washing. Apply a few drops of mild baby oil or pure mineral oil directly onto the scalp. Gently massage the warm oil with your fingertips using soft, circular motions. Let the natural oil sit for about 15 minutes to loosen up the buildup safely. Never try to pick or scratch the dry flakes away with your fingernails. Picking can cause unnecessary redness and irritate your baby's sensitive skin. Moving on, using the right brushing technique makes a massive difference for your routine. Take a specialized, soft-bristled baby brush or a clean, soft baby comb. Gently brush the hair in one direction to lift the loosened flakes away easily. You will be amazed at how smoothly those tiny flakes slide right off without any fuss. Doesn't it feel wonderful to see their scalp looking so fresh and clean again? Now, let's talk about washing away the excess oil during a cozy bath time. Use a gentle, tear-free baby shampoo to wash your little one's hair thoroughly. Rinse the scalp completely with warm water so no oil residue stays behind. Leaving leftover oil on the skin can actually make the flaking come right back. Washing the scalp 2 to 3 times a week is usually the perfect balance. Finally, preventing future flakes is all about keeping up with a daily, gentle routine. Always dry your baby's head softly with a clean, plush cotton towel. Keep brushing their soft hair daily to maintain healthy, clear scalp skin. If the redness ever spreads, always consult your trusted pediatrician for peace of mind. You are doing an absolute fantastic job taking care of your beautiful family. Which of these safe home care tips helped you out the most tonight? Share your thoughts in the comments below. You've got this.